Hey class, you are about to start an exciting project. You'll publish your very own storybook. This is Ben. We'll watch him build his book step by step. But first, today's lesson. Hey class, today's lesson is about your future. What do you want to be when you grow up? What are your dreams? Imagine yourself in the future. How old are you when you reach your dream? Between now and then, picture your journey. Why this dream? Choose up to 3 reasons. Maybe you enjoy it, you may be good at it, or someone inspires you. Say you like soccer. You might dream of becoming a soccer player. If you're good at dancing and want to perform, you might become a dancer. If you enjoy history, you might become an archaeologist. If you like to help people, you might become a doctor. If you want to start your own business, you might become an entrepreneur. Next, imagine 3 stepping stones that lead you there: a skill to practice, knowledge to learn, and a habit to build. Name one challenge you may face and one way you'll keep going, your next small step. Now let's build your story. You are the main character with a goal. Show your steps, the challenge, and how you keep going. Start your worksheet. Let's begin. If you're ready to write your story, then now is the time. Gather all the planning you've done so far and get ready. Now, begin writing. You can draft a short summary of your story or write your full story. There are 11 pages to fill. Write a little or a lot. Ask your teacher which option is best for you. Start by signing in to your Build My Story account. Your teacher will help you. Next, add your character name. Set your story settings, like how your images will look. Ben chooses 3D animation. Then, write your story. Type your full story or a short summary. Ask your teacher which option to choose. Now, build your character. Upload a drawing or a photo, or type a description to generate your character. When you click Continue, your book will build. Words appear, then pictures. On the storyboard, you can edit your text and try new images. You can even add more characters to your story too. When you're happy, open the flipbook and tell your teacher you're finished. What happens next? Your class books are prepared for professional printing. Then, we ship your books to your school as fast as we can. Watch for the delivery truck. Our driver brings the box to your teacher. If you don't get a printed book, don't worry. You still have your digital book to enjoy anytime. Time to celebrate. Ben is proud of his superhero book and is now a published author. And you can be a published author too. If you have questions, ask your teacher. Your instructions are on your desk or on the board. Now it's over to you. Pick your prompt, start your story, and you're on your way to becoming a published author.